Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we are doing something we haven't done before. We're doing a small subscription box. This one was only $59.99, and then shipping on top of that was like $5 or $6, but don't quote me. This is the fantasy box from Bibbidi Bobbidi, and let's check it out. Aw, it's so cute. It's a little box. Check it out. Still has their very nice looking artwork. I like it a lot. This is coming up right now. Alright, so here we go. So, I've been curious. We always do the bigger subscriptions with Bibbidi and with Magic at Your Door. So we just wanted to try one out and see what these smaller $60 boxes are for somebody who is just looking for a little bit of Disney every month. So let's take a peek. Ready? Alright. Aww. There's a Christmas card in here. And of course they've got their little confetti. That's the word I was looking for, confetti. Alright, so here's the card. I'll throw this up on the screen for you. She knows if you've been scary or nice, and it's Roz. Happy holiday season from the team here at BBB, Amanda, Becky, and Brenda. That is very nice touch. I like it a lot. And here is the packing slip, and now it actually says no peeking on it, which is pretty cool, because I bet a lot of people, when they get this, open it up and take a look, when this is actually a spoiler sheet. This tells you what's in the box and what its value is. So I'm glad that it says no peeking, so that it doesn't ruin it for anybody. Alright, so we've got a very nice teal tissue paper and the little Bibbidi sticker. Let's take a peek in here. Oh, so this is a $60 box, and one of my favorite things to get in any subscription box is that. We're gonna do that one last. That is so cool. I can't believe they're able to get those. I'm gonna put this over here. I can't believe they can still afford to get those in these little boxes. All right. So of course there's not going to be a ton of stuff in here because it's only $60. First thing, oh my gosh. I am a big pin collector, and this thing is amazing. Directly from the parks. Look at this thing. It is thick and heavy. It's copper. And it's the castle. And it looks like it opens. No way. It's kind of fun to do the impossible. Walt Disney. This has got to be my favorite pin that I even own, period. I am a huge fan specifically of Walt. I don't know if you can read that. I am blown away. Wow. I can't believe it. This thing is so cool. So this is yellow, and I will look that up and put that price right here, boop, so you can see what that actually costs in the park. Man, alright, I'm hooked. So we got one more thing in here, and then of course we have the Jim Shore to open. And this is from Lillian and Company. Let me get this out of our way. So, it's in a little bag, and it's a silver bracelet. Wow, that's really hard to see on the screen. So it has a quote on here. That might be tough. One little spark. And that is really pretty. This is gonna match my outfit perfectly. Or probably Mary's. That is really cool. I've never gotten one of these from a box before. And there's a card on here that talks about it. Throw that up on the screen for you. This is really cool. I think Mary's gonna really like that. Alright, so far, this box is kicking butt, to be honest with you. I like it. Alright. Now, alright, let's take a peek at what we got right here. Last week, we did a Magic at Your Door box, and it had a Mickey in it. And I almost lost my mind. 2 weeks in a row, I get a Jim Shore Mickey. Look at how cute this guy is. Wow. Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes knocked it out of the park. Oh. There. Wow. What can I say? 60 bucks. And that is some really quality stuff. This is really good things that come from the parks. I am blown away by what they put in a $60 box. That's it. Amazing. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. The most important thing you should take from this particular video is the link to the video that was released yesterday. Why is that so important? Because we are doing a giant giveaway. We are giving away an entire Bibbidi Bobbidi Ultimate box, the $119 box. We're giving it to one of you in the lower 48 states. The link, click this video right here. This one gives you all the information about it and shows you what you would be winning. Take a look at it and please subscribe. Hope you're having a great day.